when I heard about this event, I was determined to make sure, despite the Brexit chaos, that I'd get here, because as a former solicitor myself in Leeds, I was a lawyer in Leeds for 10 years, I really know the value of paralegals, who are all too often the unsung heroes of the legal profession. So let's make it clear, when we as politicians talk about lawyers, we're talking about barristers, yes, we're talking about solicitors, yes, but we're also talking about paralegals. And if there's one thing that couldn't escape me in my time as a lawyer, it was the frustration that many of my colleagues who are paralegals felt, not from working with me, of course, which they enjoyed, but the frustration that sometimes their career aspirations weren't being facilitated by the legal profession. And quite often, people allow the paralegals to basically work on an underpaid basis. They become very, very skilled. Plenty of the experienced paralegals knew plenty more about the law and about the practices that was needed to engage in litigation and avoiding litigation than some of the solicitors did, in fact. So when there's a Labour government, our commitment to you is that we won't forget paralegals. Quite the reverse. We think paralegals are a key part of the legal community and the legal profession. That's why we've got policies, for example, like using an expanded network of law centres across the country to have extra training contracts, and that could see paralegals become solicitors if they so wish. And I think also our policies in the education team of ending tuition fees and the National Education Charter can also help paralegals to fulfil their aspirations, whether that be fulfilling them as paralegals or fulfilling them as solicitors or barristers. So I really want to just come here today to thank you for all that you do. I think it's fantastic that Amanda and your organisation has organised this reception with Fabian here in Parliament, because it sends a message to members of Parliament that the paralegals aren't going to be the quiet voices in the legal community. And the message from myself and from my party and from actually people from different parties across the House of Commons is we really do value the work that you do. And when we're in government, we look forward to carrying on that relationship and working with you, celebrating your work, but also listening to what you've got to say about improvements that you think can be made in terms of the legal profession and the experiences of paralegals through it. So thank you for your time, thank you for your patience, and I hope you have a wonderful reception tonight. Thank you.